Good evening, everyone. So I'll just wait for a few more students now as they are joining in. So while they're joining in, I'll just explain what we will do today. Today we will learn about the collection sets, keywords, metadata, and phase tags in Adobe Lightroom, and we'll see how we can use this inside the Adobe Lightroom and how it will help us to create these kind of like how it will help us to organize our work. So here I have some of the options here. Let me close this one right away. And the main thing that I prefer right now is the collection right now. Okay. So first, let's see what is the collection basically. Okay. So briefly, we discussed in the last class what collection is. So here in detail, we will see what is a collection and how to create a collection set and different kind of things. So collection is what is basically different kind of like it's a kind of folder, you can say. Inside the folder, you can make subfolders, and in subfolders you can organize your photograph. Suppose you have photograph related to weddings, suppose you have photograph related to convocation or any event. So you can make collections of these different things and you can put everything inside. So let's import some items over here, but before that, let's go to collection and see what collection we do have. Okay, now we have here collection that are we have smart collections and we have samples. So this is one collection which I made here. Now what I can do here is that to make a new collection, I can click here, create a collection. Okay, and I can call this one photo manipulation. Okay, and I can bring some images here. Okay, so I will create here like a photo manipulation. Now I have a photo manipulation here. Oops, sorry. Okay, now photo manipulation, I don't have a lot of things here. I only have one image. Okay, which I actually don't want inside the photo manipulation, because when I was creating uh, like a collection, so this was selected. That's why you will notice it went directly inside that. But I don't actually want that. So what I can do, simply I can drag this one and move it to some other collection like sample. Okay, and as it is already there, so I can right click over here. Okay, and I can remove this from here. Okay, or I can simply press backspace and it will be gone, but it will be inside my sample and it's already there, so you don't have to worry about that it will be deleted or not. It will not get deleted, it will be just removed from your current manipulation. Okay, now what I will do here is that I will go to file and let's import some like photo manipulation inside this particular photo manipulation. So I will keep it clicked. So I'm right now inside photo manipulation, and inside photo manipulation I don't have any photograph. So what I can do here is that I can go to file, okay, and then I can go to import photos and video, and as soon as I will do that, it will take me to this folder, which like this option which we studied in the last class. Now here I can go to my drive, okay, or I can go to my pen drive, or I can go to my hard disk. So wherever I want, I can go right now to search for the images which I want to import. So I will go here to my C drive here. Okay, then I can go to my user over here. Okay, then I can go to my documents basically. Okay, here I have a lot of folder here where I can search for images. I can go to my UOB folder. Okay, And inside my UV folder, I have a lot of images here, but I'm looking for images that are photo manipulation. So I can go inside this, okay, and I have here different other folders. So I can go to this folder, and then I have some other images here. So there is a assignment related to photo manipulation, which is this one. Now inside here, I have some images which are photo manipulated images. So I will bring those. So I will uncheck the one that I don't want, like I don't want these. Okay. I will uncheck these. Okay. And after that, I have these photo manipulation, and few of them, these are already there. So I don't want those because as already they are. And there are some here which I don't actually want because these are photo manipulation but related to wedding photography. So I will uncheck these because these I will bring it in my another collection, not this one. Okay. Rest is fine. I have selected these. And now what I will do here is that I want to build smart previews, and I don't want to import suspected duplicates because you can see some of them are grayed out, means that they are already inside my collection. Now I want them to be inside a particular collection. So there is a add to collection option here. So I will click on add to collection. And as soon as I will do, I have here quick collection and I have here photo manipulation. Now, photo manipulation is the one where I want to bring these photographs into. So I will select that one and I will press import. Okay. So now it will start importing them, and you can see that these are now inside my photo manipulation one. Okay. So smart previews were built or already exist for 20 photos. So there were 20 photos which were already there. So I will say, okay, it's fine. Let me close this folder. And now you can see the photo manipulation here have 20 photographs here. Okay. So here I have imported the photographs which I wanted. And this is everything fine. Now, what I can do here is that inside this photo manipulation, I can make a sub like collection, like a collection inside a collection. And here I can go create a collection again. Okay. Sorry, create a collection set. What is a collection set? Which is basically a collection inside a collection. So I will choose collection set inside a collection set. Okay. Smart collection. No, I don't want it to be inside the smart collection. So here I will write like a fun images, something like that. Okay. So I will create this collection set. So once I will have collection set, you can see that it's like a box, which means, and it have an arrow which is little different, which is a very solid arrow. This means that my my fun images, okay, it's like a box, and inside this box I can put as many collections I want. So I can drag this photo manipulation and put it inside the fun images. Now I'm inside the fun images. Okay. Now I can go to my fun images collection and go to new collection. And this time I will not choose create collection set because already fun images is a collection set. I want to create a normal collection just like this one. And I will call this one wedding funny photos. Okay, something like that. And you can see that it is inside a collection set fun images. So it will make a new collection set inside here. So when I will press create, you will see that there is another collection wedding fun. And again, the same issue happened. Not an issue, but I left this one selected and I forgot to deselect it. So when it was pressed and when I added this, like when I made this collection was made with this image because it was selected. But I don't want this, so I can do what? I can press backspace or delete and it will be gone. But it will stay here, so don't worry. Now what I have to do, situation in which a newly created collections goes to an existing collection. Suppose I want now a wedding photographs, like funny wedding photographs. But by mistake, what happens if I import it inside the wrong collection? Like suppose if I add it here. So what will happen? Let's see how we can solve that issue if this happens. If I go to file and if I go to import photos and videos, okay, take me back to photo manipulation. Okay, now this time I don't want any one of these. But I want all of these and I don't want these. On purpose, I will not select anything here. No add to collection, nothing here. Okay, let me uncheck this one too. Nothing, just I will press import. Now it is importing file. Now once the file is imported, you will notice that it is not imported inside any one of this. It's not inside like sample. It's not. It's inside. It's not inside the fun images or wedding photograph. It goes to smart collections basically, which is a default collection. Now what I have to do? I don't want these images to be inside the smart collection. So I have to select any one of this, the first one, just like this one maybe. And then I have to go to the last one of it. This is, I think, the last one. And I will press Shift key on my keyboard, click on it, and then I will drag this one to the wedding funny photos. Okay. Now if I will go back here, you will notice that these photographs are imported here. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So this is how you can create collection, bring images inside a particular collection. Okay, and different kind of things here you can do that. Okay, we can rename these. Like maybe I don't want this to I don't want the name wedding funny photograph, so I can right click here and I can write here wedding photo manipulation. Maybe that I can do. Okay, and here I don't want it to be only photo manipulation, so I can right click here and I can type here Bollywood photo manipulation. Maybe I cannot do this thing, so I have Bollywood here and I have wedding here. So I have different kind of photographs here. Here I don't want this one, so I will backspace and remove this one. So this is how you can make a collection here. Okay, now the one thing that I told you about in the beginning was that we will learn about the keywords, okay, and we will learn about metadata and we will learn about the photo tags. So these are basically tools that will help you, okay, like these are the keywords and are the tags, or you can see keywords are the metadata that contain important content of the photograph, okay, which will help us to identify, to search for or find photographs. Like suppose a photograph which is related to wedding, photograph which is related to uh, like convocation. So these kind of things are will help us to search for images, to identify images and easily organize them and store them in a way that they are easily searchable. So all the time, let me open this one here. Your photo like your photographs, okay, that are you want to apply keywords on to, you have to go to library. So library is the module where you can find the keywords. Okay, Now here is the keywords option. You can open this, or the shortcut over here is Control K. So if I press Control K, so this will be opened. Okay. So, or Mac if you're using so Command K. Okay. Now here we have some of the keywords, and if I go here in the keywords, I can find the keywords, or I can press this button to create a new keyword. Okay. So what I can do here is that I can press on this keyword, and it will ask me what is the keyword name you want to put, or any sort of this any sort of thing that I can type here. But the main thing here is that you can select any image. Okay, once the image is selected, then you can create any sort of keyword over here related to the image which is like selected. Okay, let me go here. This is the keywording. Okay, so you have to go to the keywording here. Okay, now in the keywordings, you have to enter the keyword that suits your image. Okay, so maybe I can go to this loop view, which is E. So I can press E on your keyboard or click here. So it will open the image. So it is from a movie, Fast and the Furious. So what I can do here is that I can go here and I can type here Fast and the Furious. Okay. And I can press enter, and it will make a keyword over here. Then what I can do here is that I can type something else here. Maybe I can type Rock is there, press enter, and Idris Elba is there, so I can write his name. Okay, Jason Statham is there. So it will keep on giving me these keywords. Okay, so this will help us to identify like these photographs. So what I can do here is that I can go to some other photograph like this one. Okay, and I can write here Christine Stewart. Okay, and then I can press enter, or Charlie's Angels. Now suppose if I write a wrong spelling. Now this is not the right spelling of the angels. Okay, this is this is not the right spelling of the angels. This is angles. So it should not be angles, it should be angels. So if I write something wrong, so what I can do here is that I can go back to here to my keyword which I have written wrong, and I can click on it and I can easily change it. And once it is changed, I can press enter again, and I will have a completely changed image. Now if I can go over here, okay, here I can also write Fast and the Furious. So if I will write here Fast and the Furious, as I soon press F, it will give me Fast and the Furious. The reason is that because already I had used this keyword, and if I will write start typing, it will show it to me quickly. Okay, so I will press enter. It will be very easy for me. I will press R, rock. Okay, and if I will press J, so so I have to press enter 2 times here. So one time it will make it selected, and next time when I will do it, it will put it on the in the list. Okay, then I can go over here, and here I can type maybe something like you can say Iron Man. Okay, enter. Avengers, enter, and Robert Downey Jr. Okay, then I can go here. So here I will write Thor. Okay, and I just forgot the name of the actor. I think his name, anyone who knows his name? Okay, yeah, I know now his name. His name is Chris Hemsworth. So I will type here Chris Hemsworth. Okay, so now I will go over here, Avengers. Here I will write Harry Potter. Okay, here I will also write Avengers and Black Widow. And what else was it? Captain America. Then here Iron Man. As soon as I will press Iron Man, it will show me the Iron Man. Okay. Then Robert Downey Jr. Chris Evans, I think, is Captain America. The Thor actor is Chris Hemsworth. This one, I don't know from where it is, but I will type here bubble tea. This one, Black Widow. This one, I think, is Mulan. Maybe. I'm not sure, but I will just type Mulan. Okay. This is Fast and the Furious again. No, yeah. And this is Vin Diesel, so I will type Vin Diesel. This is Avengers, Thor, okay, and Black Widow, Captain America, Hulk. This one, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll write here Thailand maybe. This one, Avengers. This is Jurassic Park. This is also Jurassic Park. And this is also Jurassic Park. So quickly, I was able to tag all of these. Now, all of them have a keyword. Okay. Now, as you now know, if you have written something wrong, you can change it, and it will change for all others. Suppose if it is not Jurassic Park, and I have added Jurassic Park for this one, if I will change this one, it will change it for the other two as well. Okay. Now, to take advantage of the keywords, we have to open the keyword list down. Let me close this one. Let me close these and go to the keyword list. Now you will see there are a lot of keywords here. Okay. Now suppose I want to see and let me go back to grid view. Now suppose I want to check the images related to Avengers. So I will go to Avengers and press this arrow button. As soon as I will press this arrow button, it will show me all the images related to Avengers. Okay. If I want to see images related to Jurassic Park, I will go here, click on this arrow, and it will show me only these images. Okay. Suppose I want to see images related to rock, I will select and it will show me the images related to rock. So we can like choose any existing one and we can add to it. Okay. So like suppose if I have if I uncheck all of them, okay, and go back to my images here. Now suppose this image here, I have maybe I can add over here or here this one is Chris Hemsworth and he's Thor. Okay, so I can also add Avengers. So I can go to Avengers and I can press this button, this check mark. If I will press this check mark, so this Avengers is also applied to it. Okay, so this from here, from the list, I can also apply the keywords as well. So this is how you can also apply keywords to your existing images, and just like that you can keep on continuing and start working with it. So any question regarding the keywords, how to create the keywords and how to make the keywords? Any questions so far? Everything is clear? Okay, so now here we can go back to my Hollywood images. Okay, close everything here. Now one way to filter, as I showed you, one way to filter is that you can go to the keyword list, click on any one of these and it will show it to you. Okay, suppose I want to see anything related to Jurassic Park or Avengers, so you have to go to this arrow, click it, and it will show you that. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Okay, and once you click that, it will show you what kind of tags it's used here inside. Okay, in this image, and in this image this tags is used, in this image these tags are used. So in this image I have a lot of actors, so what I can do, I can tag those actors as well. Like if I will make this bigger, Chris Hemsworth is there. Okay, Black Widow is there, also Hulk is there. Okay, and Iron Man is there. So, or Thor is also there. So what else is left here? So Robert Downey Jr. Okay, so all of them, those were here, I have added them. Okay, and Captain America, I will add that too. So now they all are added, so I can go back here. What's this one? Okay, so this is how you can easily do that. But there is another way to filter out instead of going to the keyword list. The other way is that you have this top library filter. Okay, now what is the library filter actually? The library filter here is basically, if I go to different type of library filter here, so I have text filter, attribute filter, metadata, or none. So if I will go to metadata, I will see here different sort of like filters, just like what I have here: Avengers, Black Widow, Bubble Tea, Captain America. It will keep on showing over here. Okay, unknown cameras. So there are three pictures where I'm not sure here, like there are three pictures, but nobody knows which camera they have used. So let me do one thing here. Let me go to my samples, and here I will go to the metadata here. Okay, now inside here I will just choose all, so that will show all because none of them have keywords. Okay, but let's see here, there are total how many pictures? 15 pictures. Canon 650D was used here for 2 pictures. What were those 2 pictures? If I click here, these 2 pictures were taken from Canon EOS 650. 6 images were taken from Nikon D40. So these images were taken from that Nikon D40. Okay, now also what we can do, we can go here, maybe all, and here in the lens, 5 images, we don't know which lens were used. Okay, 2 images used this lens. Okay, 8 images used this lens. Okay, so this is how you can easily filter out your images. So there is no label or anything to this images, so that's why the label is no label over here. It says no label. Okay. Now let's go back to our Hollywood pictures here, and let's go to the keyword list. Okay. Now, sorry, keyword sets. So let's close this one. Go to keywords, and there are keyword sets here. Let's close everything and go to keyword sets and open this up. Now, keyword set, there are already sets here. 1, 2 I can add more, or I can delete one of the or like these. Okay, so maybe I can, oh, by mistake I removed that one. Okay, here I can remove or I can edit them by clicking edit. So let me do one thing here. Let me remove these so you can start fresh. Okay, now once or whenever you will open keyword set for the first time, you will not have anything. So that's why I deleted what they were here. If I go to the keyword set, I have here outdoor photography. So everything related to outdoor photography is shown over here. Okay. If I go to portrait photography, everything related to portrait photography is showing over here. Wedding photography, everything related to wedding photography is showing over here. These are the ones that already your Lightroom have. Okay. Now, if I want to see all the images, I can click to Smart Collection. Smart Collection. So it will show me everything that I have inside my computer here. Okay. Now, if I will go to outdoor photography, click on landscape. Okay. So what it will do is that any image that I have chosen here, okay, that will become like the part of this key set. Okay. Now, suppose these are landscapes, like this one is landscape, and I'll press Control on my keyboard to select anything that looks like a landscape. Maybe these two, and I will click on the landscape. So this will become some, it will be a part of the landscape. You can say like a character, the keyword set. Okay. Then I can take any one of this. Let's see, portrait photography, wedding photography. Okay. And then here I have some of the images related to wedding. So this one is related to wedding. This one. Sorry. So this one also. So with the control key I'm pressing, and this one I can say maybe bride and groom, both of them. So they will be the part of the bride and groom keyword set. Okay. If I want to create my own, so I can go to my edit set here. Okay. Or just press I can go to any one of this, the restore default preset, or yeah. So here I can type my own keyword name, Hollywood style or something like that. Okay. And include on expo. Oh, okay. One thing is that because these are selected, it will apply on this one. I don't want that. So I have to go to my Hollywood, deselect everything, then create a new one. Okay, like suppose all of them from here to here. Now I will create. Otherwise, why I came here? Because if you will create a new keyword, you will be jumped to the other other part here. Okay. Now here you can see you have a groom color mark, bride, and so many things inside. So this is not I want it. So what I can do here is that I can go inside my recent keyword and edit it. Okay, and I can change this one to maybe whatever I have a keyword, Avengers maybe. Okay, so I will type A, so it will be there. Maybe I will write here Fast and the Furious, so maybe I will press F. Fast and the Furious will be there. Maybe Rock, so Rock is there. Okay, maybe I will type here Black Widow. Okay, Black Widow is there. Now what I will do here is that I will go here and change. Once it is changed, then I can go here, save current setting as a new presets, and I will call this Hollywood style. Now, if I deselect and if I click any one of these will be highlighted over here. Okay. So this, what it will do is that it will help me to add more. Like suppose if I go to this dinosaur one, maybe this dinosaur is part of Hulk also. So I can click Hulk. And when I will do that, it was very easy for me to apply the Hulk to it. Okay. It became much more easier to apply. So this is how it will, the character set will help you. So you can put at least 9 like keywords inside your character set, and those 9 have to be the one that you think you will be using a lot. So whenever you will go to any image or a group of images, maybe 2 or 3 at the same time, maybe like this, and you can apply, and quickly it will apply it, and you will save a lot of time. Okay, so this is how your character set actually works. So you can edit this later on also. Suppose I don't want this one, I don't like this one, maybe I have added something wrong. I can go here, edit set. Okay, maybe I don't want something here about Robert doing Jr. Maybe there should be Jurassic Park here. So I will write J, choose the Jurassic Park, and I will change it. Okay, so now it will change to Jurassic Park. So if I click here, you can see Hulk and Jurassic Park is highlighted to these images. Okay, this if I click is Avengers. Maybe here Black Widow is there, so I can click on the Black Widow. Captain America is also there, Iron Man is also there, Thor is also there, Hulk is also there. So I will click all of these, like I will click all of these. So this images will have now these keywords. So this is how very easy to add a keyword inside your Adobe or Lightroom. Okay, so now you got the idea how to add a keyword and how the keywords will help you to identify or search your images. Clear? Okay, so this is how it will actually like work. Okay, now one thing over here we can do is that we can work on the metadata as well. So metadata is basically another way to search images. Now what are the other images? Is like is more like a like filtering method to it. Okay, but it holds more information rather than keywords. So okay, so keywords is just holds like a key information, like the name of the person, name of the location, so those kind of things. But metadata holds more information, like location, the camera that was used to take the photograph, or different kind of other things. So here what we are going to do is that we are going to work on the metadata. So let me go to my fun images collection, and I will apply the metadata on the wedding like photo manipulation instead of Hollywood one, because Hollywood already we have done. So we will go to the like these ones. Now we will select the photograph here. Okay, any one of the photographs that we want. Suppose this one. Okay, let me close everything here and move to the metadata. Okay, now inside the metadata, I have here like two different type of like metadata. One is additive and other one is descriptive. The additive one is like that we add, okay, like suppose star rating or copyright. So these are the additive one. Descriptive is the second one, which describes a photograph, okay, like where the photographs was taken and what are the like what are the camera used in it, what time it was taken, so these kind of things. Now here I have one of the photographs, you can see that, and once I will select this one or any one of these, you will notice that we have here the one at this part is the additive one. Okay, so here I have the copy name. I can write any name which I think can be suitable for my photograph. Okay, for example, I can type over here red dress, okay, bride, and after that or maybe like a wedding shoot, make it more like open, so other images can be the part of it, because red dress is the only image where she's wearing red dress, or this one maybe. So we will narrow down our copy, so I don't want that. Now here in the title I can put any kind of title that suits. Okay, maybe this is the red dress photograph, so I can type here red dress. Okay, and I can give any caption here, like for example photo manipulation used in Photoshop or something like that. Okay. Now copyright issue, you can write whatever copyright like this like picture holds. So let me check if there is any name over here. Okay, so if I go here, it is a little hard to read. Okay, so it is EKK ACHI. So I can write here the name of this person who have used this. So I can go to my grid view, go back to this image, and here in the copyright I can write his name over there. Okay, and press enter. So this is copyrighted now to the person name. Now copyright, what type, public domain or copyrighted, I can make it it's copyrighted. So this is how I can add these. Now creator, maybe same name, I can put it here. Sublocation, I can put any place like Asia, maybe I can enter. Rating, as soon if I just notice, as soon I will increase the rating, like put the stars, you will see the stars will appear over here. Okay, now I have here label. Now what is the label here? If you remember when I was showing you the image like before, and the label was over here. Okay, so there is no label here. Okay, so that's where the label comes in. Okay, so I can go here and I can give it any kind of a like a label. I can write here maybe 2019 photos. So that can be my label of the images. Okay, now GPS. What is a GPS? Maybe I can give any sort of a coordinate. So you can go to maps.google. Okay, and search for a location and coordinates. So I'm not sure where these photographs were taken. Let me check one thing here. Maybe in this image there is a location given. It's too small, I cannot see. Okay, maybe this one. So I don't know the location here. Let me check his Facebook page, the photographers. So maybe there he have the information. Okay, his page is not available. So anyhow, I can just put a random location here. Okay, let's put Malaysia or any random place in the Malaysia. So I can go to here. Okay, so maybe this place. Okay, and what I can do here is that I can, once I have this one, I can uh, click on the share button, or where is the GPS coordinate? So I'm not sure from where I can get the GPS location. Or just simple I can type here. Let me do one thing here. National Palace. I can type here Malaysia. Here it is. So I will just copy this one. It's as simple as that. And then go back here, click on this image and give it a GPS location. Okay. So it's asking me, do you want to enable the GPS location? So I will say yes, enable it. Okay. So address lookup, I can go to address lookup. So automatically it will do that. Okay. So this is I have added. Now maybe all of these images I can select and give it the same like a GPS location. So apply to select it, and now they all have this GPS location here. Okay. Now each one of that I can give it a any sort of a rating. Okay, maybe this one 3 star, 2 4 star, this one all 5 star. So randomly I'm just giving it so that we have uh, like different like kind of like settings over here. Okay, so I have given them like section of some sort of rating. So if I will go on the loop view, you can see a bottom here. I have all these like setting. Let me zoom out. Okay, and if I go to left and right with my arrow keyboards, you can see all of them have different uh, like sort of a you can say uh, kind of a like rating over here. Okay, so let me go back to the grid view. So this is how you can add a metadata that we have. Now what we can do is here, okay, like there is a if you will click on any one of these images, so here you have metadata default. So in the metadata default, what is this? This is the actually the settings of the metadata uh, as all the essentials. All the essentials are inside the default one. Okay. So, but if you want a minimal one, okay, like a normal one, so what you can do is that you can go to the minimal. So it will give you very less information, which is you can say just file name, rating, caption, and copyright. Okay, and if you want like something that is like a quick describe, you can click over here. So it will give you a quick describe one. But if you want default, so it will give you default where you have all of these options here. Okay. So this is how you can apply these like settings to your images here. Okay. So you can choose these, okay, to basically do like based on what kind of information you want to give it to your metadata. Okay. Now I will go to another one here. Okay. And then once I'm here, okay, what I can do here is that I will take another one and I can go to my like suppose here, okay, and then I can check where is some other options here, maybe the cameras and other stuff. So it doesn't show here, so let's check where the cameras are. Maybe all plugins. No. I'll keep it here. Okay, so some camera options are not given here due to some reason. Should be there somewhere, but I will keep it as it is. I will not going to change some any other thing over here. Okay. Now we can now go to the metadata on the top, and you will see that we have. Let's do one thing. Let's go to some of these images, like these one. Go to the label somewhere here, and here I will type here 2018 photos. Okay, then I will take these three label, and this one I will write 2017. Okay, and this one I will take it and I will write here 2019. Apply to select it. Now if I will go here to metadata option, I have here now all the labels. If I want to see 2017 photos, I just click here. 2018, I can just click here, and 2019, no label. These two don't have any kind of labels. All it will be here. Now unknown cameras, because I have not entered the camera like settings over here. Okay, so because it's not showing me here, so what I can do here is that I will leave it as this. Okay, because these are not the raw files. If you have a raw file, then you will have the like camera settings. For example, if I will go to the sample here, these are some raw files. This is a raw file, and here inside the raw file you can see I have the camera settings. Okay, which camera I'm using, And if I go to any image which is not a raw file, like this one or this one or this one, so there is no camera setting over here. Okay, so that's what we have usually inside this if you have a raw image, then you will get the camera settings here. But anyhow, if I go to metadata, I have 6 bride images, 6 groom images, 5 landscape, and this is what I added inside the keyword set, if you remember. Okay, so this is how our camera our metadata works. Okay, now if I don't want to see any, the landscape, I want to see all, so I just click on all of them. Okay, or if I make sure, if you don't want to see all of them, you just have to click all. Otherwise, if you're in any one of these, you will stay there unless you press it back here. Okay, so I can press no filter, I can press here no filter, and then I can add or remove from like these. Like suppose if I will go to rated, so it will show me star. Okay, other options, if I press star over here, so it will show me 1 star or 2 star, or I can increase or decrease the stars, and then I can type the values of the stars, so that we can do over here, but I don't want that. Okay, restore default presets, that's all. Okay, and I will close this one here. Okay, now let's see another one that we have here. So is it clear about the metadata? The keywords and the metadata is clear? Okay, so once it is we are done with the keywords and the metadata. Now another way to search for your images is through the photo tag. Okay, so what I will do here is that let me remove this one. This is quite annoying. Okay, now what I will do here is that I will go to my Hollywood photos. So because I can do that option here very clearly, very easy. Okay, now another way of filtering images is using face tags. Okay, and this face tags is basically for people photograph. Okay, this is another type of metadata, and what it helps is that it will arrange, organize images according to a person's face. Okay, according to persons people's faces. Like I have like a photograph of a person, and not only one photograph, he is appearing in 4 or 5 different photographs. So if he is appearing in 4 or 5 different photographs, that means uh, if I will organize my images, so I can easily search for his 4 and 5 images based on his photo face tags. Okay, so let's see how to apply a face tag. To go to the face tag option, we have here grid view, we have here loop view, all these, and here we have people view. The shortcut is O, or just you click over here. Now once you will do that, okay, it will ask you to do these 2 things. Start finding faces in entire catalog. Like what it will do, whatever catalog you have, it will search all the images there. But I actually don't want that, because it will take a lot of time to do that, because it will search all the photographs. I will select only find faces as needed. So if I will click over here, so it will start doing this. Okay, and it is detecting right now. and you can see that it is searching for faces inside all of my photographs that I have. Okay, so I'll let it do this and we'll wait for a little while. Okay, now we are done. Now if you will notice that these are different kind of photographs we have. Okay, and what we can do is that we can start giving names to these photographs. Okay, uh this is Jason's, like Statham. Okay, so I don't know what is correct spelling. I think it is, I just wrote it before, it's Jason Statham. Okay, so Jason Statham is there. This is also Jason Statham, so I can go here. If I press J, automatically it will show me his name because I just wrote it. So I'll press again. So you can see now there are two pictures here. Okay, now I'll go over down here. Let's see if we have that. Let's say not anymore. Okay, now it is asking me, is this guy Jason Statham? So I will say no, he's not Jason Statham. And here I will type rock. Okay, now it will go over here. This guy is rock as well. It will go up here. Now you can see two photograph rock. Okay, no, here I can write photo manipulation artist. He's the one who created all these photo manipulation. His work is really great. He do amazing stuff. Okay, almost very hard to identify. Okay, so I will add him, and wherever his image is, like suppose here, add him. It will go back here. You can see now. No, oh, there's something wrong I did. I think I added, yeah, I added the full stop. Okay, now it's fine. Because even if you will add a full stop or something, it will create a new face tag. So make sure your face tag is same as you are applying to others. Okay. Now you can see all of them is taking his name as a photo manipulator, like artist. Okay, maybe he is the one because it's trying to guess on its own. So I will say yes, it is. It is. It is here. Here it's not. Wherever he is clearly visible, I can put him there. Okay. Oh, wait. There is something wrong. So what I can do here is that I added him by mistake. So I can go here, double click. Okay. He is not rock. So I will go back here, remove from here. Okay. And backspace, remove from here. So it will go back to the normal, like back to its old position. So I can go back to the people. Okay, now let's check where else we have. This one is not rocks. This one is the photo manipulation artist. So I'll press enter. He is also photo manipulation artist. He also, this one also. And here also. Okay, now we have Robert Downey Jr. Okay, and what we will do here is that we will write his name. for all of his images, like here, Robert Downey Jr. and press enter. And let's see where else he is. Here it is, R, okay, and then here it is, where else? Okay, this is Chris Hemsworth, so I will type here Chris Hemsworth. Okay, then what I will do here is that I will check if I have other images somewhere here. Here, Chris Hemsworth. Okay, now actually his name is not Hemsworth, it's Hemsworth. I forgot to add S. Okay, now I will go back here and search for others. Her name is Gwen. Gwen Paltrow. Okay, this is Vin Diesel. This is Chris Evans. This is Idris Elba. This is Scarlett Johansson. Okay, this is also, I think, Scarlett Johansson. Okay, this is Chris Evans, so I will first finish all these ones. Okay, Chris Evans. Okay, where is Chris Evans more? His images are not here. Okay, now what else we have here? I have to finish other ones here. Scarlett Johansson. Okay, this one is also Scarlett Johansson. Okay, then we have some other actors. I will write their names here. Like suppose this is Kristen Stewart, so I will write her name here. Okay, and this one is like from the Harry Potter. Okay, so his name is Daniel Radcliffe, so I'll write here Daniel Radcliffe. This is Emma Watson. Okay, now I'm not sure who she is, so I can write here unknown or just no tags. Okay, here as well. Okay, this is done. Okay, now I have here, what else is there? Yeah, here I have Rupert print. Okay, uh, this one I forgot his name. What his name was? I think Jeremy Renner, his name is. Okay, that's all. Okay, now almost we are done with this one. So what I can do here is that we can exit, okay, from this people's view. I can just click here. So I will be exit out here. Okay. Now, if I want to see the picture of a person, okay, based on the people's view, I can click it back. Okay, and it will start showing me these pictures as well here. Okay. Now, this is how you can create face tags. Okay, and sometimes if your pictures are very high quality, as we did had high quality images, so it can automatically detect images for you and arrange it for you. Like suppose all the it will maybe detect all the pictures of like Chris Hemsworth, and it will like put all of them at one like position, but here like at one location. But here I was not able to do that, so because the quality was not high, so I have to go back and forth to add these images. You can say by like manually I have to do that. Okay. So people view can help us to find photograph when someone is in that image which who we are looking for. Okay. Uh, Now to search for the images, I can click on any one of this image, like suppose this one. Okay. And if I press this button here, and when I click it, it will show me who is inside this picture. Okay, so this is how I can easily guess who is inside. So I can go back and forth. It will keep on showing me who is inside this picture, and easily it can guess who is there, whoever is there. So I can uncheck this one to go out. So this will help us to do these kind of a like a kind of a search. And I can go to I think here it won't show, but actually this is how the easily you can view a person's face, or based on that it will be shown. Okay, now whatever name we applied over, let's go back here, whatever name we have applied here, we can add it later on also. Maybe his name is not correct, so I can change his name. Okay, now suppose I have like a Rock here, and his real name is not Rock. Okay, his name is here I think Dwayne Johnson. So I don't want this to be Rock, so maybe I want to change his name to Dwayne Johnson, and enter. Okay, so these kind of changes we can apply, and it will be changed accordingly, and everywhere it will be changed. Okay, or if you know the photographs are in doubt, you will see there will be these question marks, because we don't know these, so that's why we didn't give any name. So there is a question mark over here. Okay, uh, if we want to add, you can type here. If this is if it is right, it will show you. If it can if Lightroom Classic can search by itself or guess the name by itself, so it will show you the name. If the name is correct, you just press the check mark, otherwise press the cross mark. Okay, which we have seen in the previous images and the images that we were working on before. Okay, so this is how we can do these kind of like changes over here, or applying the names to the tags. Okay, now if we will go to the keywords list here, okay, let's go back to my grid view. Here, if I will go down, it will show me the names of the people that I have added, like photo manipulation artists. So if I roll over here, so you can see those are highlighted. If I will go here, you can see these two are highlighted. If I go here and press this arrow, it will show me the photograph of that actor basically. Okay, if I will go here and click, it will show me the photograph of that actress. So this is easily I can search for it. Okay, so this is how easily, okay, this is easily how I can search images, search all these kind of things here. Okay, so we can add name or like face tags just like this. Okay, or what we can do here is that there is another way to add face tags. Okay, and Lightroom will give you better way to like manage it. Like another way is that you can just click on it. Okay, and maybe you can just go here. Okay, and I think already we have applied, but you just have to click here. So it once you will click it, so maybe this person is not tagged. This person is already tagged. So I can press here, select this. Who is this? He is the photo manipulation artist. So if I press that, if I will write photo manipulation, automatically it will show me. I will press enter, and he's the photo manipulation artist now. So this is one way to tag from here. Okay, directly you can go to the images. Maybe I will go to this image and I can take that. I don't know who is she, but you know, those who are not added, like this one is not added, so I can write here Scarlett Johansson maybe, and her name is there as well. Okay, so this is how you can add. Now here Chris Hemsworth is there, but he's not tagged, so I can select his image. Not Chris Evans, Chris Hemsworth. So okay, this is Mark Raphael. His basically we didn't apply his name yet, so now we can do that. Just type here Mark Raphael. Okay, so this is how you can differently you can do that, and you can search from here, and a lot of different things you can do with this. So very helpful tool, especially to work with the like with your images. If you have a lot of people over here, okay, to find them easily, it will help you to do do this kind of thing. Now let's go to the map here, but before going to the map, I will do one thing here. I will select all these. Okay, and what I can do here is that I can go to the metadata, give it a GPS location. Okay, but this time I will choose something like a GPS location. So here I will put a GPS location of Hollywood the Boulevard. So for all of them it is added here. Okay. I think it is not correct. Let me check again. Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, now it's added here. Now let's go to the other images, like go to the sample here. Maybe these are all Bahrain. So I will write here GPS coordinates for Manama. Okay, so I've added these GPS coordinates to these kind of places here. Okay, so now how this GPS coordinate will help us. Okay, now we have learned how to do the keywords tagging, we have learned how to do the metadata. Okay, and we have also learned how to do the face tags here. But now let's do how we can do the location tagging, which is related to the map. So what I will do here is that I will go to the maps option on the top here. Okay, so here I will go, and I think it's loading right now. Now if you take images from your mobile phone, already it can detect your GPS location. But if you are not taking, you have to put the GPS location just like what I did. Okay, now let me close this one. Now it is showing me some locations here, like Hollywood photos. This is the location. Wedding, this is the location. Smart collection, if I will go, so there is one here, and then I have here Bahrain. Okay, sample here is in Bahrain. So this is what it will show me right now. Okay, from your images. Okay, so it will take you to the map module, or you can you can manually go there. If I will go here, suppose I want to see where this location is, I can click here. Okay, and after that I can go to my metadata type here. Okay, and here I will go to the location, and inside the location you can see I have this location here, and there is an arrow. So if I will click on this arrow, it will will take me here. So I can use here plus or minus to zoom in, or what I can do here, I can press Alt on my keyboard and drag my mouse like this. Okay, or I think I have zoomed in a lot. Yeah, or you can press Control on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel button to drag in and out. So this is also, you can do that. Okay, now suppose I have these images, different one, and I have here map style. I can choose road map style, I can choose satellite, and I can choose terrain, which will only show me the terrain here, light mode, dark mode, and hybrid, where it will show me everything here. Okay, now what I will do here is that I can search also if I'm looking for like a location here. So I can go here. Okay, and I can type here the location that I'm looking for. Like suppose I have these images here which I took in University of Bahrain. Okay, so I want these images to be tagged to University of Bahrain. So what I will do here is that go here, type here University of Bahrain, and press enter. So it will search University of Bahrain. Okay, now I am here in University of Bahrain. So what I can do here is that let's find our building. Somewhere here, I think. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So here is our parking, here is our building. And what I want all these pictures which I took in University of Bahrain inside here. So simple, what I can do here is that I can I can right click, add GPS coordinates to selected photos. Okay, so let me do one thing here. Let me select all these photos. Okay, which I took at University of Bahrain with the control key. Okay, these three photos I took at University of Bahrain. So here I will go to University of Bahrain. Okay, and here I have this spot. I can right click here, add GPS to selected photographs, and here it is. Okay, so here this will be added here. Now it's up to you if you want to make it bigger or smaller, this image, okay, this tag, or you want to move it around. So that's totally up to you, like what you want to do with it. So you can right click, zoom in, or delete this, create collection inside this. So many things you can differently do over here. Okay. Now once we have dropped it over here, okay, we can go to this panel. This is already open here. You can see that it can show, it is showing us all this information here. Okay, that we have applied over here. Okay, now I can easily zoom out. Okay, and it can show me some photographs are here, some photographs are here. If I click here, it will show me these photographs was taken here. If I click on this one, so maybe it will show me that these photographs were taken here. Okay, and if I zoom more out, okay, so you can see that it will show me the whole scenario. If I deselect everything, okay, or go to the smart collection, because smart collection contains everything, it will show me some pictures here, some pictures here. Okay, so this is how you can tag your location over here. Okay, any question regarding the keywords, the metadata, the phase tags, and the map tags, the location tagging? Is everything clear? Any question any one of you have? Okay, so this is what we have gone through regarding the tagging. And next class we will move to the editing part of the Adobe Lightroom, and there we will learn how we can apply like any kind of editing, and how we can edit any photo, or like the photo that we have. So I'll end the class like at this spot today, and I don't want to take you more further because I want you to practice more on this part so that you can get familiar with it. The next class, because editing will take a little bit more time, so we will move to editing in the next class. So we'll move now to Blackboard. So just go to the Blackboard, and then I will take your attendance over there. Okay, so next week we will move to the editing part, and I think next week you all have midterm break, right? So week after that we will move to the photo image editing part inside the Lightroom. Once Lightroom is finished, we will move to Photoshop. Okay, clear everyone? So let's move to Blackboard.